add a new sub-preparer to your tax software. Once you are on the dashboard of your tax software, go to the Setup tab. You will then be taken to the Preparer Information screen where you can add a new tax preparer to your office. Near the top of the screen, select Add New Preparer. We will start by creating a username for our sub-preparer. The username can only be made up of letters and numbers. It also must be at least 6 characters and contain no spaces. Next, you will need to create a password for your sub-preparer. The password you create will need to be at least 8 characters long, contain 1 upper and 1 lowercase letter, contain 1 numeric digit 0 through 9, and have at least 1 special character. After creating a password, you will need to confirm it and provide a hint for it. We then move down to Preparer/User Information. In this section, you will enter some basic information such as the preparer's first name, middle initial, last name, social security number, phone number, and email address. You will also need to choose a preparer type: registered tax return preparer, enrollment agent, enrolled retirement plan agent, CPA, enrolled actuary, attorney, data entry only, or remote location only. Finally, enter the preparer's tax identification number or PTIN. Anyone who is paid to file taxes is required by the IRS to have their own PTIN number. The next section we will take a look at is Preparer Power of Attorney information. Only fill out this area if the preparer you are creating an account for has power of attorney over an individual. The same applies to preparer PIN signature numbers. This section only applies if the preparer will be filing taxes in Oregon, New York, or New Mexico. That brings us to the bottom of the user information page, user options, and user privileges. User options allows you to control what your sub-preparer will be able to do in the software. Do you want to list all the taxpayers to this user? Yes or no? Will this user be allowed to delete client records, delete firm records, modify invoice pricing, file amendments, print tax returns, disable view/print configuration, email tax returns, or access to change the preparer in a return? User privileges is where you can set the privileges of your new sub-preparer. You can check Select All or Give Admin Access in order to give them full editing privileges within the software. These privileges consist of creating and managing clients, e-filing taxes, scheduling, reviewing and sending letters, access to banking, access to reports, access to forms, access to the Setup tab, or access to the Tools window. Once finished filling out this page, select Create New User at the bottom. The next page you are taken to is Security Questions. On this page, your new preparer has the option to further secure their account by creating security questions. You can fill out the security questions and select Save Changes, or Skip if the preparer wants to wait and fill it out later. Finally, that brings us to Login Security. This page gives you the option to add additional security measures to their account. Two-factor authentication will send a code to your email or phone in order to verify your account every time you log in. Google Authentication can secure your account through the Google Authentication app. The last security option is adding a security PIN. This secures your account by having you create a 4-digit PIN number you will be asked to enter when you log in. Once you are finished on the Login Security page, click Complete to finish setting up the sub-preparer's account. You will then be taken to the Preparer Information screen where you can view your new tax preparer in your tax software. Congratulations! You have successfully added a sub-preparer to your tax software. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.